In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access OneDrive on laptop. We'll walk through the official Microsoft path so you can safely get to OneDrive on the web and download the desktop app for seamless access on your laptop. All you need is an internet connection and a Microsoft account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Microsoft OneDrive personal file sharing and cloud storage page. This is the trusted FIFRE official landing page where you can see what OneDrive offers and, more importantly, where you'll start the sign-in process. Using the official site helps you avoid any outdated or third-party downloads. Next, select Sign In. Use your Microsoft account to continue. If you use OneDrive through work or school, choose the account type that applies to you. After a successful sign-in, you'll land in OneDrive on the web, where you can already see and manage your cloud files through the browser. Now look toward the top right area of the page where the main controls are. Open that area to reveal your options, then choose Settings. This is where OneDrive centralizes key controls, including links to management and download pages. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry. Microsoft sometimes updates the layout, but it's always in this general top right menu. Inside the settings area, follow the highlighted option that leads to management and setup resources. From there, select Get the OneDrive apps. This is the quickest way to reach the official desktop download, and it's especially helpful if you want your files to live in a folder on your laptop and sync automatically. On the download page, select Download OneDrive. The site typically detects your operating system and offers the correct installer. This desktop app integrates with File Explorer on Windows and Finder on Mac OS, letting you access your cloud files just like any other folder on your computer. If your laptop already has OneDrive built in, common on newer versions of Windows, you can still use this page to get the latest version. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the download doesn't start, check your browser's pop-up or download settings, make sure you're connected to a stable network, and use the same Microsoft account you signed in with on the web so everything stays in sync. Once the app is installed and you've signed in, your OneDrive folder will appear on your laptop, and your files will begin syncing automatically. That's it. You've accessed OneDrive on the web and reached the official download for your laptop, so you can keep your files organized and available anywhere.